In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TikTok shop button missing. If the shop button isn't showing up on your account, the most reliable way to resolve it is to contact TikTok directly through the app, explain the issue clearly, and let their support team review your account. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that and share tips so your request gets handled smoothly. First, open your TikTok account. Make sure you're in the account where the shop button should be. From the home screen, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. This takes you to your account dashboard, where we'll access the settings and support tools. At the top right of your profile page, tap the three-line icon to open the main menu. This menu gives you access to all your account options. Next, tap Settings. You'll be taken to the Settings area, which is where TikTok keeps the Help Center and support features you'll need. Now, tap Help Center. This is TikTok's official support hub. In the Help Center, find and tap Chat with Us. This opens a support chat where you can submit your concern directly to TikTok's team. In the chat, explain that your TikTok shop button is missing. Be specific and polite. For example, you can say that the shop button used to appear or that you expected it to be available, but it's not showing on your profile. Include helpful details like when you notice the issue, the device you're using, and any changes you recently made to your account. After entering your message, submit it. Once submitted, wait for their response. TikTok support may reply with follow-up questions or steps tailored to your account. Keep an eye on your notifications for updates from the support team. While you wait, remember that availability of the shop feature can depend on your account settings and regional eligibility, which is why contacting support is the best route. They can check your account directly and make adjustments if needed. Later on, check your account again to see if anything has changed. Go back to your profile and look for the shop button. If you still don't see it, refresh your account. You can do this by swiping down to refresh your profile feed or by closing and reopening the app. This helps apply any changes that support may have made on their end. That's it. Follow these steps, submit a clear message in the Help Center, wait for a response, and then check and refresh your account. With a little patience, the shop button should reappear if your account is eligible.